So this is a yes or no question, and then may konting explain this sa second part. Have you ever experienced a situation where your loyalty was tested? And did that help you connect with your role?
Para kanino?
For all.
For everyone. Once you start. Have you ever been, has your loyalty ever been tested, and
Did that help you connect with your role?
did that help you connect with your role? Para sa akin yung tanong. Ako ba? Kasi
For all.
not everyone.
Para fair.
Ikaw muna.
Ako na lang muna kasi ganyan parang dadaldal. I think, yeah, I mean, of course, my loyalty has been tested many, many times. But, so, doon ako nagkaroon ng clarity with my character. So, I'm not perfect, but, you know, thank God. Thank God He has shown me a lot of lessons in life that would help me choose the other, you know, go towards the other direction. So, thank you.
I like that you mentioned that. Nobody's perfect naman talaga eh.
Oo naman.
Diba? Ang ganda rin sinabi ni Jay kanina eh. Yung parang living a life without a lie, is that even possible? It's not. Well, considers. Others, Kira, ikaw, was there a time your loyalty was tested and did that help you connect with your role?
Oh yes. I think nobody is, ano tawag dito? Walang ligtas sa mga ganun. It's part of growing up. It's part of, maturing and discovering who you are. Can't lie, I have made my mistakes because I'm not perfect either. Pero with my character, he is sobrang lover girl niya eh. As in, hindi siya bibitaw. Yun.
Saka, ang ganda rin nung sinabi ni Jay kanina. Ang dami action nung sinabi ni Jay. Maganda yun. Ang ko napulit sa kanya. Kikinig lang ako kanina eh. Yan. Your loyalty was tested?
Yes, many times. Marami na rin mga pagkakamali, syempre. Pero,
I like the emotional cost.
sa character ko kasi, she has a son. So parang hindi na lang pagiging loyal mo bilang tao eh. Parang, yung magiging ibabaw yung responsibility mo at yung pagmamahal mo at kung hanggang saan mo mapoprotektahan yung anak mo.
To survive.
Yes. So yun.
Saka ang ganda na sinabi ni, Jay na naman ako, yung loyalty naman hindi lang sa relationship eh. Hindi lang sa romantic relationship. It's with other things. Nina, was there a time your loyalty was tested?
Yes, I was about to say nga, sa work natin, di ba? We're always tested yung loyalty natin sa work. So parang, and that's for me, isa yun sa mahirap kasi parang, di ba palagi natin narinig, hindi ka mapapakain ng loyalty. Di ba? Yan ang maririnig mo, di ba? Yung marinindigan, ganyan. So, palagi yan sa work, hindi man sa relationship, sa work. So, if ever I get stuck, dun sa, stuck ako in between, na hindi mo alam saan ba ako pupunta, will I stay para lang to show my loyalty, or do I need to move on? So, minsan may mga ganong sitwasyon. So, ang hirap mag-decide. So, ipapasa Diyos mo talaga. Kasi diba minsan, wala eh. Parang pumunta ka dito, may mali. Pumunta ka dito, may mali pa rin. So, parang pag gano'n na, pag talagang wala ka nang ibang pupuntahan, magdadasal ka na lang, and just, Lord, just take me kung saan ako dapat. And then, just trust Him. Kasi, minsan ang hirap na talaga eh. So, yun lang pagdating sa word.
Thank you, Mina. Micah?
Yes. Has my loyalty been tested? Of course. It's so hard to say as well. Very work, yes. Relationship, yes. But at the end of the day, I just go back to my core, stay true to myself, and then let it flow.
Right.